G'day WA, Coram from Audiocom Mobile Electronics here. Today I'm sitting in a VF Calais originally with the factory Mylink entertainment system. Now, we get a lot of feedback from people that the factory Mylink entertainment system is not great and it's got some limited features. And of course, all the rage these days is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And with good reason. When you are linked with Apple CarPlay in your system, you are 100% legal with all the new laws because you are far less tempted to touch your phone because all your phone controls and media controls for your phone are available on the dash of your vehicle when you're connected via CarPlay or Android Auto. Now, the VF Calais and VF Standard Series and all the other VF models don't have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in, but we can add Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to the factory Mylink system. Now, this is a very smooth and simple interface. After we've uninstalled the unit, made some modifications, added on some particular modules, and then refitted, you have a fully integrated Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface. We've got Apple CarPlay running here at the moment off an Apple phone. This is fully integrated to the touchscreen of the vehicle, so you can access all your music and media straight from the touch screen of the factory Mylink system. The screen resolution is quite nice and comes up very, very good with the Apple CarPlay interface. The interface is very, very similar for Android Auto. All the same sort of features available, touchscreen configuration. All the factory features and options work 100% the same. There's no changes to the factory system at all. It's simply an upgrade to add the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto interface onto the factory Mylink system. This is a particularly good option for the Calais, which we're in right now, because in the case of the Calais, the vehicle has heated seat controls built into the fascia surround, and if we were to change this factory system out for one of our aftermarket options like the Alpine 9-inch or Pioneer 9-inch that we do, it's a very cool option, but you lose the factory heated seat controls. You also lose the active trajectory reverse lines for guided reversing when putting an aftermarket unit in. So by upgrading the factory interface to include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you keep things looking a little neater. You get a really, really good option to control all your Apple and Android navigation, Apple Maps, Google Maps, Spotify, all your other favorite apps, any sort of audio books subscription platforms you might be subscribed to. And of course, everything is 100% voice control, so it's voice guided navigation, voice controlled music. You can call and message your contacts all via voice, so it keeps your hands on the wheel instead of on your phone, keeps you legal and fine free, and gives you much more convenience and a lot more fun on your factory interface. We can also build up the factory audio system as well as that to increase your audio functionality, audio quality, volume, and the intensity of your sound. All of these things are possible off the factory Mylink system, no problem at all. So if you'd like to upgrade your Commodore VF to include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, come and see us at Audiocom Mobile Electronics, any of the stores. Check out the website www.audiocom.net.au for store locations, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for this YouTube channel if you're watching on YouTube. And stay tuned for more releases for more vehicles as we develop them. Thanks for watching. See you soon.